What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for a basketball rise. Took a little bit longer than usual to fill up, but I do appreciate you guys filling it up. We got three legends here up for grabs. Top name is taking home T-Mac and Grant Hill, and the second name is taking home the Robert Horry buyback 505 autograph. Here we go. 10:06 on the clock, and here's your names: Chris down to Nick. Top two matter after four, guys. 1, 2, 3 is your timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 10:07. 10:07, last and final. You're looking to be top two here. Kyle and Alex, 3 and 8. So Kyle's taking home the T-Mac and the Grant Hill, and Alex is taking home the Robert Horry buyback auto. We got 10:07 and 10:07. So congrats, Kyle. Spot 3 got you T-Mac and Grant Hill, and Alex got you spot 8 got you a Robert Horry 5 5 buyback auto. Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.